Chapter 3, Early Wisconsin People, the Paleo Indians. Make sure you have your name. Don't mind this purple thing. That's just on my screen. Wisconsin early Native Americans, find the year 0, then find the Paleo Indians on the timeline. You can see year 0 is right here and Paleo is right here. Who were the Paleo people? Archaeologists call the earliest people in Wisconsin Paleo Indians. They are the ancestors of Native people who live in Wisconsin and other places today. Paleo Indians lived here as hunters and gatherers between 12,000 and 6,500 BC, 6,500 BC. That's over 14,000 years ago. Artifacts like the spear points on this page have been found at about 750 sites in our state. Studying the points has helped us learn that the Paleo Indians were skilled hunters and craftspeople. So people who could make different crafts, make things. The climate was much colder when Paleo Indians lived here. They traveled far and wide to find food to gather and game to hunt. Game is like meat. They lived in small family groups most of the time. When these groups decided to join together, they were called bands and later tribes. So later they were called tribes, but at first they were called bands. Paleo Indians traveled on foot to hunt animals such as deer, elk, mammoths, and mastodons. They also gathered nuts and berries in the forest. And we know that they made boats out of animal skins and other material to cross rivers and lakes. They lived so long ago that only a few of the things they made have survived. But studying those things helps us understand how Paleo Indians lived. So what was the climate/weather? Was it hot, warm, or cold? What years did they live in Wisconsin? What region do we find evidence of their lives? Hint, look on the map on page 45 of your book. The western uplands, the central plains, or eastern ridges and lowlands. What tools did they use to hunt with? Hint, look at some artifacts found from the Paleo on this site. So if you click this, you can see some examples there. What kinds of homes did they live in? And what did the Paleo eat? And then make sure you submit when you are completed.